It's delicious. Coconut milk base.
We're using 2.1 grams of disti. Just add it to the butter, then heat and mix. It's that simple when using distillate. Just don't forget the lecithin. Once it's mixed together, let it cool down in the fridge. Now you can start adding your ingredients to the processor. Flour, seasonings, and cheese go first. Finish blending your cheese and your powders together. That's what it's going to look. It's going to look crumbly. And then you're going to add in your infused butter. Okay, so I may have just ruined the food processor. Make sure your processor is strong enough to handle the process. Once the dough is formed, you can turn it into a ball like this. Look at it. Shiny. Okay, now we're going to weigh up the whole ball. 367. Now from here, what you want to do is you want to just split this ball directly in half. Alright, now that we got two balls that are about 183 grams, you're going to split those in half. 91, there we go. 3 balls, this one needs to be split in half as well. Now, we have 4 balls. Each of these balls are going to be 500 milligrams now, right? So you know, this is 500, this is 500, 500, 500, 2,000 total. We put 2, to be exact, 2.1 grams of distillate in this. A little bit extra just to account for any losses, right? Now, what you want to do is you want to keep splitting these balls in half. Keep splitting them over and over and over in half until you can't do it anymore. And then you'll have a somewhat perfectly equal amount dosage in each piece. See, now we have 8 individually weighed out balls that are 46 grams each, and now each one of these balls should have 250 milligrams of the magic inside of them. And I say magic, I mean THC. I ain't talking about mushrooms. Okay, now there are 16 total balls, and each one's 125 milligrams. We want to cut these in half again. Keep splitting the dough in half over and over again. Eventually you'll end up with 128 pieces. So this is what you're going to end up looking like. You can just roll them into little balls and then squish them down so they all look like little chips. Do your math for 128 pieces. The other way is to weigh up the total dough amount and then divide it by 100 and you'll get the exact amount. I think my dough was like 370 something. So it would have put each of these dough balls around 3.7 grams. All of these should come out to be right around a little bit over 15 milligrams. Now we just gotta throw them in the oven at 350 for like 20 minutes. Okay. Listen to me. Stay in the fucking house when you're making these motherfuckers. Don't go outside to smoke. Don't fucking do that, okay? Otherwise, they get a little toasty. But, you know, we got them. Cheezits. Let's go! These came out so much better. I'm so glad I kept a little bit of dough to the side. Look at these things, bro. And if y'all could smell them, they smell way better than Cheezits. These actually smell like Cheezits. I think it's because of that toastiness. And the Cheezits usually come a little bit darker. But, yeah, this right here. Yeah. Infused Cheezits, y'all. That's how you do it.